Why don't we bring in David Gibbs, who is the CEO of Yum. David, I can recall at any given time we always had of Pizza Hut, of KFC, of Taco Bell. One of them was always awful. I'm trying to find out. I don't see any of them awful. They all seem to have gotten it good. How is that possible?
You are spot on, Jim, and it's great to be on with you and David. This was a strong quarter across the board. We're very proud of the results our franchise partners put up. You saw double-digit overall system sales growth for Yum for the quarter. That's our third consecutive quarter of double-digit growth. And that really is the theme for the quarter, double-digit growth. Each of our brands had double-digit system sales growth, so it was widespread. We had double-digit growth in our core operating profit. And then a metric that I'm really tracking closely that our investors follow is our digital sales. Our digital sales went from $6 billion last year to $7 billion this year in the first quarter. Double-digit growth. 45% of our transactions now are digital. If this keeps up, we'll be up to $30 billion for the year compared to just $12 billion in digital sales in 2019. Massive shift in our business.
Okay, well, let's talk about the things that are supposed to be so worrisome. Labor, food costs. I know you've got a franchise model, so it doesn't necessarily reflect on you, but there are definite implications. They didn't seem to come into play. Is something getting easier in the system? Are we, for the Fed chief, and we look at a company as big as yours, can we say, wait a second, maybe we're beginning to have an impact? It seems to be easier labor, maybe easier supply chain. What do you say?
Absolutely. It's definitely become a better operating environment for us, and we did well in the operating environment over the last few years. But we are seeing inflation in our input costs come down. We expect it to be low single digits this year in the United States. It was high well over double digits last year. Even with double-digit growth inflation last year, we were able to put up record margins in our Taco Bell business. So we can win in any environment. But as you say, the inflation is coming down. Our ability to attract and retain team members has improved. Our stores are back to normal operating hours. Our applications for positions are up, and turnover is down. So everything I look at says the operating environment for us is really quite favorable.
All right, now we often talk about Chipotle, and maybe they'll have a certain dish that everyone's excited about. I look at Taco Bell, and I was at Taco Bell recently, and the menu is very different from what we would expect. You've got specials that are really driving a lot of traffic, don't you?
Absolutely, and the great thing about Taco Bell is how they play the high-end consumer and the low-end consumer. We've got at the high end the grilled cheese burrito helped drive our sales in Q1, but at the same time they've got a $2 cravings value menu with burrito offerings that are filling and a great value for consumers and taste delicious. So we have everything, something for everybody in the Taco Bell menu. That's the beauty of that model. You can take all those different ingredients that they have in the restaurant and put them together in some amazing combinations.
Now, Pizza Hut was exceptional because it was transaction growth, not price. Pizza Hut was a problem for a long time, David, and we actually started hating to talk about Pizza Hut because it was such a poor third in the business. What did you do to make it so that that if I were Domino's or if I were Papa John's, I would be concerned about you?
Yeah, you can't point to one specific thing because it's a holistic approach to improving the business. We have improved our franchise base. We've got great franchise partners at Pizza Hut right now that are really driving operational improvements. The leadership of Pizza Hut is doing a better job with connecting to consumers through the product offerings. We in the first quarter, our Melts product, which at a $6.99 price point, it's a screaming value, but it's an innovative product that has really resonated with consumers, brought in younger consumers, brought in more incremental transactions. That's working well. I've talked in the past about the fact that we've embraced the aggregator model to be incremental to Pizza Hut, also to bring in new consumers. At the end of last year, we were doing 50 aggregator transactions per Pizza Hut. Now we're up to 60 aggregator transactions per week for Pizza Hut. So that part of the business continues to grow. I think the team is just firing on all cylinders. When you get the right people and the right franchisees together with a great brand like Pizza Hut, the outcome is going to be fantastic.
David, on AI, I'm just curious. We always talk about this future coming where everything's going to be automated. What do you think of and how are you thinking about using sort of the advances that are being made right now?
Well, we've obviously embraced technology as a big differentiator for us as a scale player in the restaurant industry. We should be the leader, and I do believe we are the leader, 45% digital mix. But it's a holistic approach that we're using. It's really end-to-end. in terms of the customer experience and the team member experience, and then how we're gleaning insights from the data. I'll give you one quick example. We bought a company called Dragontail, which helps us sequence orders in the restaurants so they come out at exactly the right time to be delivered to consumers. Something that previously a restaurant manager would have to sort of sort out, looking at all the tickets, which one should I make first, and which driver should I give it to in a Pizza Hut. I was in a UK restaurant and I saw firsthand just a few weeks ago a pizza come out of the oven, get cut in the box, and seconds later the driver that was intended to take that pizza to the customer show up in the store, grab it and run off. No wasted time, much more efficient operation, drivers on the road being more efficient with their time, and the customer getting a hotter product. That's one of just many examples we have where the technology investments we're making are really driving improvements for our franchise partners and our customers and our team members.
All right. Thank you so much to David Gibbs. Remember, the stock ran a great deal. So this is the CEO of Yum telling a pretty good story. Dave, it's good to see you.
Thank you, guys.